This is Lesson 31 Exit Ticket. You need to get your materials, which are a pencil and this piece of paper. Pause the video to do so. Welcome back. Now I want you to write your name on the top so you're ready to get started. Today, you are going to use a math drawing to help you solve a problem. You need to circle the part you know and cross out the unknown part, just like you practiced in Lesson 31. So any space down below, you will draw your math drawing. Math drawings are circles because they're quick and simple. You're going to circle the part you know in your math drawing, cross out the part you do not know, the unknown. Then use your math drawing to help you fill in this number bond. Use that to help you fill in your number sentence. You should notice today you are working with a minus sign, so you are subtracting. Once you find your answer, you're going to write it right here. All right, friends, get those listening ears ready. Give them a good tug. I'm going to read you your story today. Remember, you can pause it anytime or go back and listen to the story again. Deb blows up 9 balloons. Some balloons popped. Oh, there's our unknown. 3 balloons are left. How many balloons popped? Let's listen to it one more time. Deb blows up 9 balloons. Some balloons popped. 3 balloons are left. How many balloons popped? I can't wait to see the strategy of circling the part you know and crossing out the unknown.